Hello and welcome to this module on creative writing with Fighting Words. My name is Dr. Colm Cuanachain, Education Director with Fighting Words here at the Institute of Education in Dublin City University. The aim of this module is to look at the importance of creative engagement and creativity with young learners from the perspective of teacher education. The objectives are to look at the Fighting Words module in depth, the methodologies and the tools and techniques that are used to advance creativity and creative engagement in the classroom, to look at the research and the evidence base, the surveys that have been done around creativity in the classroom, and to look at the resources and the supports that are available to teachers who want to use creativity in the classroom. This module will run over 6 sessions, and in this first session we will have an overview of the Fighting Words programme at the Institute of Education and how we engage with student teachers around the use of creative writing and creative methodologies. In the second session we'll get into the research and the evidence base that exists, the surveys that have been done showing the results around creativity and creative engagement in the classroom. In the third session, we get into the workshops and we have examples of activities with classes at all levels, and we will share that with you and take you through how those methodologies are used in practice. In the fourth session, we will be getting into the experience of teachers, writers, volunteers, and others who've used creative writing and creative engagement in the classroom and hearing about the results and the successes from them directly. The fifth session is all about impact and the outcomes for young learners, and we'll be hearing from teachers and from Fighting Words staff and others who've worked with students around the outcomes and the benefits that they have seen and experienced with their classes. And finally, in the sixth session, we want to look at the resources, the reading lists, the links, the toolkits, and the various supports that are available for Fighting Words for teachers who want to use these methodologies in the classroom. So now let's get into the first session, and we will hear from Professor Anne Looney, who's the Executive Dean at the Institute of Education in Dublin City University. And we'll also hear from Roddy Doyle and Sean Love, co-founders of Fighting Words.